Every single day, thousands of people open a trading app for the first time. They all want the same thing: money, fast money. Social media shows wins, profits, screenshots, luxury lifestyles. But what they don't show you is that after a few months, 90% of these people lose. Today, I'll show you exactly why. This is Jack. Jack scrolls through social media and sees people making money from trading. They say it's easy, they say it's fast, so Jack thinks, if they can do it, why can't I? Jack downloads a trading app and starts trading immediately. No learning, no preparation, no understanding. He has no strategy, no rules, no stop loss. He clicks buy because the candle is green, the market goes down, and Jack doesn't know why. Jack loses his first trade, and instead of stopping, he trades again. He's no longer thinking, he's feeling fear, anger, revenge, and emotional trading always ends the same way. Jack starts taking trade after trade. Every small move looks like an opportunity, but the market doesn't reward activity, it rewards discipline, and Jack's balance keeps dropping. Then Jack makes the biggest mistake. He goes all in, one trade, all his money. The market moves against him, and just like that, his account is zero. Game over. 90% of traders don't lose because trading is fake. They lose because they never treated it like a skill. They don't learn the basics, they don't control emotions, they don't manage risk, and they want fast money. This is John. John is different. He trades one setup, uses a stop loss, risks only 1%, and waits. Most days he does nothing. One good trade, small profit. He doesn't chase money, he survives. If you want to be in the 10%, remember this: trading is a skill, not luck. Losses are normal, risk management is everything, and patience beats speed. If this video helped you understand trading, follow this channel. I'll teach trading step by step using simple stick figures, from beginner to disciplined trader.